Garvin Industries now manufactures stainless steel tool hole straps for rigid conduit. These come in sizes from 1/2 inch heavy wall all the way up to and through 4-inch heavy wall. These products install very quick and easy. You simply take your rigid conduit, place it on the substrate on which you wish to attach it, select the appropriate tool-hole strap size that's made from stainless steel. These are great for outdoor and wet locations. As you can see, it stops short because there are little nibs on the inside that lock it right on the pipe. You simply snap it into place. That prevents it from falling off during the install when you're working up and down the conduit line. You simply grab your screws and your screw gun and mount it directly to the surface on which you wish to attach the conduit for a safe and secure protection of your raceway. For these and other great products, be sure to visit us online at garvinindustries.com.